Virginia Women's Academy started as an opportunity to showcase our Sheriff's Office to the community, to let them know about the different career opportunities that we offer as an agency with both a professional or sworn capacity, to bring a sense of awareness to young ladies participating in the program, and to get to know our female deputies, female staff who work in the Sheriff's Department, who are passionate about what they do, and it's just morphed into an opportunity to be part of the community along with them. Participants had an opportunity to dive into CSI opportunities. They get to hear from our detention services to know what it is to drive the buses, help incarcerated persons, a glimpse into our canine unit, hear from our traffic deputies and find out what to do when there's a traffic stop and you're stopped by police. They have a defensive tactics segment, and we also have an opportunity to do a career fair where they can see different persons or in different positions from the department. We also have our aerial support, Astria, who will showcase by landing on the field, and we get to hear from our pilots. And then we end the event with a graduation where they have the opportunity to be presented with a certificate by the sheriff and celebrate the fact that they were part of this 4-day event.
The youth in our communities are so important to us. It's important for us to connect with them and for them to understand that law enforcement is there to help them. You know, if these young women, they see us in these roles and they'd like to do this for their future, it's awesome.
I feel like at first I kind of just viewed it as like scary work that only a few people actually have the commitment to do, but there's just so many different jobs inside of the department that I just really thought was awesome to learn about. And once learning about it, I realized it's not as scary as I thought before.
Honestly, I really thought it was going to be like a big old boot camp. Like we're all going to be climbing over obstacles, we're going to be doing all these things. I didn't actually expect to have a classroom part of it going into it. My favorite class was the traffic violations class because one, we got to try on the drunk goggles, but two was a part of learning about the entire experience.
When I was younger, I used to want to be a sheriff or a police officer. And I stopped wanting that, but going into this program, it reopened my mind again. It's a lot of resources and it's a lot of help, especially if you don't know what you want to do in the future.
Our motto, right? If I can see her, I can be her. Seeing someone else that looks like me, right? Whether it's female, right? Or an athlete or another African American, allows me to really believe in myself and say, hey, if she did it, then I can do it. That's exactly what we are trying to do, is we're trying to say, hey, we have options here for you, and we here as women are doing it right now, today.